Today we're checking out the McLeod RXT Twin Disc 1200 horsepower ceramic clutch kit with flywheel and a 26 spline input for the 2008 to 2010 V8 HEMI Challenger and the 2013 to 2023 V8 HEMI Challenger. If you're turning up the power on your Challenger or your factory clutch is just starting to slip, this setup is aimed at high horsepower street and strip cars that still need to drive nicely around town. This kit is built around a twin disc design that spreads the load across two clutch discs instead of just one, which is how it's able to support up to a 1200 horsepower load while keeping pedal effort reasonable and still street drivable. With this clutch, you're going to get ceramic friction discs for a strong and consistent bite and smooth engagement, paired with a matching flywheel and pressure plate that are all designed to work together. On the road, that's going to mean cleaner shifts, better holding power when you roll into the throttle, and far less drama when you leave from a hard stop or launch at the track. Overall, this is a performance clutch that is top tier and it can handle pretty much any horsepower that you throw at it while still giving you a strong bite and smooth engagement. Now when it comes to the construction on this, you're getting twin ceramic lined clutch discs mated to a high grade billet aluminum flywheel and heavy duty pressure plate assembly. The ceramic friction material is chosen for its ability to handle high heat and big torque loads without glazing over, while still giving you a controllable pedal for street driving. The aluminum flywheel helps trim that rotating weight compared to a bulky cast piece, which can help the engine rev a little more freely, and the whole unit is built as a complete balanced package right here in the US so that the discs, the floater, and the cover all play nicely together, even under serious performance situations. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low 2000s price range for the full kit. Now that's not a budget clutch, but you're getting a twin disc setup, an aluminum flywheel, and hardware that's rated for 4-figure horsepower up to 1200. A cheaper single disc clutch can save you some money up front, but it may not hold as cleanly once you add some boost or have any serious upgrades, and you'll usually be buying a flywheel separately. On the flip side, a full race-only multi-disc setup can climb well past this price range and give up a lot of street manners along the way. This is going to land in a sweet spot for Challenger owners who want big horsepower capability without turning the car into something that's miserable to drive on a daily basis. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 6 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. This is a pretty involved job that takes patience to line everything up right and torque it to spec. If you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to do this job, then go ahead and hire a professional to get the job done right. Alright, well that's going to wrap it up for my review of the McLeod RXT Twin Disc 1200 horsepower ceramic clutch kit with flywheel and a 26 spline input for the 2008 to 10 V8 HEMI Challengers and the 2013 to 23 V8 HEMI Challengers. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.